I'm waiting for the night.
Currently at Heathrow.
Don't realize that
And I have to take early sleep soon, so that she will not know.
Early sleep.
Yeah, man. 2 hours, 30 minutes before we land. I'm excited. I'm not doing this because we are perfect. I'm doing this because I know life with you is going to be a better life. She's going to be marrying me on the screen.
Where will be convenient for you to make your shots?
To capture it. Beside you, yellow.
She's still shocked, but you just try and work hard.
I'm so happy that every single one of you guys are here to support me. This movie means a lot to me. So basically, the movie is all about love. It's all about connection, and it has plagued me for like a very long time. And I'm so happy that I finally get to see it come to life.
Look, I know business words. I know business school either. At least I was not here to help.
Why you cool? Please come here. Come here, baby. I need to read what I have first. Hold the flowers. Yeah, I'm not doing this because we are perfect. I'm doing this because I know life with you is going to be a better life. It's going to make me a better person. It's going to help me serve God better, because you are the best gift from God. I'm not perfect, but I will never stop trying to be the best for you. I will serve, I will love you with everything in me. Together we will enjoy this life. Be my wife for the one when you come here. Oh yeah, just bring it up. Is it a yes? Okay, good. That's all of it. Oh, babes. Oh, we're going to we are so sweet.
I see why people cry now.
Never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending. My love for you is never ending, is never ending, is never ending. My love for you is never ending, is never ending, is never ending. One more time, let's go. My love for you is never ending, is never ending, is never ending.